friend, today I want to show you another way how can you sew the elastic ribbon on undies. So first what we have to do is facing face to face. Fabric have a right side and wrong side, and same thing with the ribbon. So make sure they are facing to face. Place them right at the edge and then make a zigzag stitch right at the edge. Make sure the stitch is not too wide. Okay, after we did the stitch, as you see the back side, we're gonna take and fold it to inside just like that, and now we're gonna make a top stitch zigzag so it will hold the stitches inside. Okay, so that's our beautiful undies, and as you see, looks very clean from the right side, and same thing on the wrong side, and it feels very soft, not too thick. That's it. If you want to learn to make kids undies, then you are welcome to check the link below, and I also have a PDF pattern for you so you can enjoy sewing. Thank you so much for watching.